Hello and welcome to the new Wise Ways episode. Let's check out some crazy situations that drivers recorded on the road.
May salanga ubing mapasok. Ah! Businam! Ah!
Oh! I saw that coming. Damn. What?
The pressure
Oh!
What the That was crazy.
Oh, for the love of Christ, guys. What are we doing? What are we doing? That was beautiful. Yeah, seriously. Why are you such a turd, buddy? An old man, probably. It was.
This driver recorded a chase between truck and Audi, which almost ended up in an accident.
What the f, dude? Look at these two fucking idiots. Okay, Toronto, there you go. There you go. Amazing.
I don't think you need to see. I'll show it to you.
Driver on the right pulled out without checking for the traffic. Luckily, it ended up as a minor crash.
No, you're fine.
I'm scared. What was that? Please don't yell.
Huh?
Please don't yell.
Yeah, hey.
Luckily, there was a dashcam and also a witness who stopped to give informations. This driver didn't even care that he took down mailboxes.
There's always going to be what ifs. What if I had gotten down there sooner for the psychon?
And you don't have to talk to him. You don't have to tell him what to do. He knows what to do. Is it this guy giving him instruction, or the dog just doing it, Jamie?
While sitting in his car, this driver witnessed a hit-and-run accident. Luckily, his dashcam recorded everything.
You hit it.
After spotting stranded ladder on the highway, this driver acted quick and probably prevented the accident from happening.
Like that. Oh.
The truck with the trailer had a blowout of front right tire. It caused him to lose control and create big mess. Luckily, everyone was okay.
Holy f***. Well,
Up next, one of Auckland's most macabre murderers is finally unmasked in a plot so twisted it will haunt this town for years to come.
While slowing down for emergency vehicles, this driver got rear-ended by semi-truck. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below on which clip you like the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.